Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, we've just covered the target earnings, quite a disastrous earnings. It just shows you not everyone can do what Walmart does. Anyway, let's get straight into it. Here's our position. We are down this morning 1.67. It's okay. We ended up yesterday. So excuse me, I've got an itchy nose. The temperatures dropped quite a bit today, hence why I lost a camera. Okay, so we're back again with you right now. Let's get straight into the trades. If it's your very first time here, please do click subscribe and ring the bell. I bring you breaking news throughout the day. My portfolio is slightly down today, $1.69, $800. Let's see how it all pans out. Smash the like button. Let me know you're here. And let's get straight into our positions this morning. Good morning, everyone. Target earnings missed quite considerably as it happens, quite a considerable drop. How cold is it there, Marty? It's below zero, I think. So it's not as cold as it is up for you in Canada, but we're used to the heat, so it gets very, very cold here. And the houses are built for heat. They're not built for cold. They don't hold the heating in. So anyway, there you go. A little bit cold this morning. Good morning, everyone. Let's bring everybody in and welcome all. And just going through a few channels to check where we are. Looking good. Target earnings will be out as an edited video shortly, of course. Once we've finished this today, I can edit it out and put it up there if you want to watch the edited version without all the bit before and after. Okay, what's up, what's down? I've got some orders placed for for Target if it goes down, because it was doing quite well. And they're making some capital investments, so I'm still with Target. The S&P 500 is down 0.23 at the moment, starting to bounce back. Virgin Galactic is just down very slightly, 0.91. Virgin Orbit popped up this morning. Why did Virgin Orbit pop up? Let me bring you that news for you now. So I'll put this out at the end of the show, but I'm going to give you the news right now. Vorb, what is the time? It is 2 minutes 25, 2:25. Here we go. Virgin Orbit, let me bring you this breaking news then. You're all going to like this, so why it popped up this morning and why it sold off. Remember, it always sells off dramatically, this one. It's why I only buy it when it goes below 268, because it goes up and straight back down again, so it catches you down. Anyway, let's have a quick look at it and bring it to you. Why has this happened this morning? I'm going to tell you why, if you don't already know. Make a slight adjustment there. There you go. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. We had some pre-market action this morning for Virgin Orbit. Virgin Orbit in the UK, I was there a few weeks ago. If you want to go and check out that video, click here. I saw the landing of Cosmic Girl and made some interviews with the people there. I was actually there. And I learned a lot about this stock. It doesn't trust itself. What I mean by that is it pops up and down very, very quickly. It scalps very quickly. It's got a great future. I believe in the stock. It's why I bought it. It's why I've owned it. It's why I went to Virgin Orbit. However, the news popped up, because the stock price popped up because Virgin Orbit, which is the UK space station in Cornwall, which is where I visited in the UK, got its license today. It's got its license for flights. They're about to fly. It was scheduled a week or so ago. Like most rocket situations, they tend to get delayed, but it's just got its license. So as expected, that's no big news in itself. We knew they were going to get the license, but of course, it's not a guaranteed fact. But anyway, they've got the license. They're about to fly in the UK. This will pop up and down. I'm only buying it at 268 or below. And when it goes up to $3.50, $4, I sell it because it just goes back down again. It doesn't hold. One day it might stay up there, and one day it might have a nice growth and continue to go up. But generally speaking, it goes up and down like a flipping yo-yo. So there you go. Virgin Orbit, that's the breaking news. It now has its UK license to fly. The flights are any day now. I will bring you all the information as it comes. If you click up here, that will take you to all our live shows. I've already given you the link if you want to go to the Virgin Orbit landing, but that'll go to all our live shows. We're live up to 10 hours a day. Until next time, I'm actually on a live show right now. I'm going to return to my live viewers. Take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, let's do a quick thumbnail for that. For Virgin Orbit, take off the ticker. There you go. Okay, that will come out a little bit later on. Let me just turn my heat pad down. I've got a heat pad in here today, and it very, very quickly gets very hot. I have to keep turning it off. Right, okay, let's go back a minute into the trading screen. Have a little look at where we are. So there's Virgin Orbit. That's what I have planned today. Tesla is down 1.27, but trying to recover. Rivian is down. I'm still up 25%. Lucid is down. Now, I need to obviously mention about the breaking news last night with Russia. Excuse me a minute. With Russia and everything that happened with Russia and the potential missile and so on and so forth. It's not 100% certain yet, but the information does lead to suggest, as many of you guessed, as we discussed, it actually looks like a surface-to-air missile from the Ukrainians. They were shooting down the missiles, which would kind of make sense. That's their right to do so and expect to do so. And of course, when you're right on the border, then you're bound to get some, some strays when you're right on the line. And that appears to have happened. Now, last night, my headlines was Russia attacks Poland. As far as I am concerned, I still feel that way. I'm not warmongering whatsoever. But if you are attacking a country and you are bombing a country, and yesterday they ramped up, 2 days ago, they ramped up their bombings, indiscriminate bombings across Ukraine. You can't then say, well, it wasn't our fault when someone shoots one down and it ends up falling into the neighbouring country. It's like running around in a playground and, indiscriminately punching everyone, and you're trying to hit one person, but unfortunately sometimes you accidentally hit somebody else. Well, it wasn't my fault. I wasn't trying to hit him. I was trying to hit somebody else. That's the analogy I'm going to use, because at the end of the day, it appears it was a surface-to-air missile from Ukraine shooting down a missile. However, though, if you start throwing stuff like that around, and accidents happen, I feel you have to be responsible. Now, obviously, NATO are looking for ways to say it wasn't a Russian missile, because there's nothing anybody wants less than a full-scale war with Russia. However, I still find Russia responsible for that, because at the end of the day, if they wasn't bombing indiscriminately all over the place and right on the border, it wouldn't have fallen into Poland, would it? Anyway, that's my point on that. Let me know your thoughts. Okay, we're going back to look at Target just a moment. Target is still falling down, and I expect it to drop on the bell as well. It might recover. Let's remember where this stock was before the announcement, right up here, 180. Now, I was up on it something like 15, 16%. We've lost all that now today. I believe that these stocks are going to recover. I believe that potentially we've hit bottom now. I think the CPI rate showed that. The PPI rate showed that. The markets didn't react yesterday to this potential missile, which was great. That shows you now that people want the markets to go up. The bulls are starting to win the markets. I'm actually up 30%. Up 30% in the last 3 weeks. If I go to the month, it will share with you. Hang on, there we go. If I show you the month, it says I'm up 13%, but I'm actually, if you go down here, I'm actually up 30% on the last 3 weeks. So the debate is. Am I right being in the market, or should I be like Market Profit, who buys in when he knows it's going up? For me, that's just jumping on the bandwagon. That's not investing. Investing is buying when everything is down, investing in companies that will be worth more. But Market Profit, as we discovered last week, has nearly $1 million in the bank, $880,000. If I was in his position, I wouldn't be buying on the way down either, because I've already made my money. I'm earning a good interest rate. I don't need to risk my money. Well, I'm in a different position, because I started investing just a year ago, so I'm in a completely different situation, as is everybody. So I'm up 30% now over the last 3 weeks. I would have missed all of that if I was still sat on the sidelines. So it's a different way of investing, and it's not right or wrong. It's everyone is different. Everyone's situation is different. Everyone's needs is different. Everyone's tolerance to risk is different. So you can't compare one strategy with another. You've got to find what's right for you. But I do think that this morning we've had a sell-off. I do think we're going to get a bounce on the open. I do think target is going to come up again. It wasn't a good earnings, but they are spending on capital. They've got some shrinkage. I'm sure they can sort that out. I mean, they have to sort that out, right? But that isn't the main reason why they're down. They're not, that isn't the main reason. I think this is a buying opportunity. Now, I'm up 0.37. I get good dividends on target. As you heard, the dividends are actually increasing. They're talking about buybacks, which is always good for a stock as well, in time. So at the end of the day, if it goes down, I've got 2 orders placed. I've got an order at 140. You never know. On the bell, as the bell goes, it might suddenly drop. That's a heck of a drop. And I've also got a buy at 146. Yeah, 146 and 140. They're my all-time lows. They would raise my position. Now, Walmart is exactly the same. I'd rather own Walmart than Target. I do own Walmart, and I own more shares of Walmart. I own a higher value of Walmart. But Walmart is up 19%. I would love a flash crash on Walmart, and I would do the same thing. I would pick up some there. In fact, as we've got a moment to go, I'm going to back that up and do that, actually. What is my all-time low position? I'm not going to pay more than I've ever paid before. We are in a bear market. 122, 121, 120, 118. Looks like 118. Yeah, 118 was that flash crash that we had. Do you remember that? We've got 3 minutes to go. If we go back to that crash where it dipped right down here, 118. There we go. Yeah, there it is, 118. So I am going to set a buy limit order. I don't for a minute think it's going to go there. 118. 118 all the way down there, and we would set ourselves. If it went down that low, I'd buy 4. All right, good to execute as long as you can. You get any sort of flash crash, anything suddenly sell-offs this morning. We get this. It does happen. If the stock pops up, it can suddenly sell and then recover. It does happen. I've had it happen before. Limit price 118. That's my all-time low. No point setting it any lower, like 115. But 118, yeah. Shares 4, good till cancelled. Review the order, yeah. I don't see in a million years that's going to come off. But if it does, I like the business. It does happen that suddenly everyone sells for a reason, or not for a reason, to take profit. So anyway, that's my strategy there. Let's have a little look. Target. I've got an order there. Market Profit's opinion, it's not a fact, of course. He said you should have been. In his opinion, I should have been trimming the entire way up on this bear market rally. It's crazy to say fully invested and not have stop losses on the way down and sell orders on the way up. Well, it's crazy. Well, I'm a crazy man, aren't I? That's why everyone watches. So now you're buying rather than trimming. Correct. See, all these bearish people saying the world's coming to an end. You should be selling. You should be getting out. You should be running away. You should be doing this. You should be doing that. Well, maybe you're right. Have to agree with Market Profit. Well, we shall see. One thing I do know on the stock market is no one ever agrees with anyone. I've noticed that. So stand your ground. Do what you think's right for you. But I still love you. Yin to the yang, yang to the yong. We've talked about it before. 30 seconds to go. Let's see where it goes. My portfolio is here. Let's have a quick look. Let's bring in the timer. Oh, it's not even a minute. It's 40 seconds. It's not even. Yeah, it's 15 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. See what happens. All right, let's have a look. Was I right? Was I wrong? Only time will tell. Down 3%, 1.5 grand. Right, we're up 27% now because we've lost 3%. So we've lost 3%. Still up. Target is a must buy. I think so. But 22 says we should all be out. We should be running to the hills. So does market profit. Well, I don't know if you ever. I mean, I was looking at the history of the stock market last night, and never when we've had a rally like this has it with the numbers that we've had, with the CPI rate, the PPI down, inflation coming down, oversold for a year. Never. It's only happened twice. In the dot-com bubble and one other time, 2008 I think it was, when it continued to go down. Every other time we've seen it go up. So the odds are in my favour. I'm not a betting man, of course, but the odds are in my favour that we're going to get some... we're going to see things step up. Anyway, let's have a look. The stops and sell orders are not as detrimental when you're not using the stops and sell orders are not as detrimental when you are not using margin or trading options, but it's a good habit to have it if you're trading on the daily. I totally get what you're saying, makes perfect sense. Look at the year to date SPX chart and tell me that looks bullish. Of course it doesn't look bullish, it looks bearish, but that's the point. It doesn't go down forever. The more I do this, the more I learn that bearish people are never actually, in my opinion, investors. They're just looking for doom and gloom. Everything's getting worse. And that's easy. Look out the window. Everything's bad. Everything's bad. You're missing all the good stuff. No one ever reports the good news. They only ever report the bad news. And they don't decide it's positive until it's already been positive and jump on the bandwagon. So for me, bearish people who then become bullish are just bearish people riding on the back of a bull. That's what I think. That's how I think it works. That's how I think life works. You're either an optimist, a positive thinker, or you think everything in the world is rubbish and everything's going down the toilet. And to me, that isn't investing. I studied a lot of Warren Buffett's psychology, and Warren Buffett, and I feel the same, looks for great companies that are beaten up, not okay companies or every other company that happens to be trending up because everyone's now trending up. That's not investing. That's jumping on the bandwagon. I don't see that as investing at all. But you know, we all agree, disagree, look at it different ways. Iron Maiden, run until the hills. Yeah, run to the hills. Run to the hills. Anyway, let's have a little look. I've got no buy order, nothing's bought yet. So I have got all my stocks at their all-time low buy orders. They're already set. Let's go back to target and see where it's going. There you go. It's coming up. I'm trying to buy it at 147. All right. It's not going there. Now, I'm not going to buy any more at 152. Because I'd rather not spend the money on Target. I prefer Walmart, I prefer Tesla, I prefer Microsoft, I prefer Google. I see greater opportunities in Meta and many other, Virgin Galactic. So at the end of the day, it's not about is Target the greatest stock in the world. Is there better opportunities? And there are better opportunities. It is down today, but it deserves to be down. It's not like it's had a bad day and it's a flash crash and, you know, a few people have taken profits. It deserves to be down. So if it deserves to be down, I want to get it even cheaper. I'm not going to buy it here. This is 1.77% above my average price. This is only just up, and I would have to think that the company was about to explode. Well, I don't. So I'll get it if it goes cheaper. But I anticipate it could go up today, probably 5%. And you could argue, why don't I do a day trade, buy some and flip it at 5%? No, because I don't want to spend any more money. I'm only spending if I really feel I'm getting a really good bargain. Otherwise, I'm not. Anyway, let's have a look at Walmart. Walmart popped up on that news. Look at that. Walmart is up 1.33. Walmart's doing great. Anyway. The overall market is down 2%, which means I am up 28% now over the last 3 weeks. And it's going up. Everyone said sell it, it's all going to go down to zero. It isn't. It isn't. I think we might be at bottom, and we won't know that for 3 to 6 months from now. But I think we're at bottom. And I think next month, December, the CPI rate is going to come down again. Remember, what we needed today was bad news. Bad news is good news right now. The fact that customers are having difficulties at Target, which is a budget shop, remember, that's going to send good signals to the Fed on top of everything else. So inflation is more likely peaked. CPI will probably be the same or come down further. The Fed are never going to U-turn. I don't believe that for a minute, but I do think that the Fed will pivot and will get a 0.5% increase in December, which would be fantastic. All right, would be fantastic. That's where I see it going. What do you think? Let's have a look. We've been in a structural bull market for decades until this small downturn over the last year. I wouldn't call it a small downturn. See, I wouldn't call it a small downturn. That's a matter of perception. I was down 50%. I wouldn't call it a small downturn. Market profit does with all his money. Small downturn. Yeah, I was down 50%. It's not a small downturn. It's a small downturn for you because you're up thousands of percent on all the stocks you bought 20 years ago. It's not a small downturn to me. You have to understand bear markets can last just as long as bull markets. History will teach you this. I'm sure it will. I keep learning every day. But I'm not selling everything now. That's correct, Martin. US retail came in hotter than expected this morning. That will put pressure on the Fed to keep interest rates elevated. I don't think so. I think interest rates are going to come to 0.5. But anyway, I think some of you are behind the stream. I'm getting the impression some of you are behind my stream. Anyway, we'll see. Down 2.19 at the moment. Over the S&P is down very slightly. Virgin Galactic is down, but I'm up 9.5. There you go. Exactly as predicted. Just like I just said. Didn't I just say this? Didn't I say exactly that? It behaves just... I mean, I went there, I met the people who work there. It's going to go up and down all day long, but I've got a buy order at 268, and until it hits 268, I ain't buying it. Tesla, lining up for a great earnings next quarter. Rivian, still up to the 23%. Lucid, Arrival, our lottery ticket. Amazon, Apple, down 0.61. Robinhood, down 2%. McDonald's is up 0.62. Coca-Cola is also up. I notice Coca-Cola, it's like some of you all have your favourite stocks, right? You recognise them. Whenever the market is down, J&J is up, Coca-Cola. And maybe some of our senior, more experienced investors, traders, could tell me why this is. When the markets are down on all my stocks, Johnson & Johnson, Coca-Cola, and McDonald's all go up. It's what keeps me in the market. I mean, I've never understood this. They're in similar industries to my other stocks, but yet, however, these three stocks, the three staples, my three solid stocks, are like banks. I put money in there, doesn't really make much money. Over time it does, but it just sits there and holds my money. I could sell at any point and take my money out, but I slowly go up. In time, I'm going up on J&J all the time. Coca-Cola, I'm going up steadily all the time. McDonald's, I'm going up steadily all the time. But you notice when all the markets are down, Robinhood, Apple, Amazon, look, see, Arrival, Lucid, Rivian, Tesla, the S&P 500, Virgin Galactic, Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit. Yeah, they all go down. They're all up. Look, it happens every single time. It's a pattern I see every single time. So for me, another reason why I hold these stocks, because they balance out. If I didn't have those today, I'd be down a lot more. And I can always get some funds out. As Jim Cramer says, source of funds. A lot of companies like the tech stocks, like Google, have been sold off, oversold in my opinion, because I've never made money on Google, and I'm literally right on the button right now. Microsoft, never made money on Microsoft, and I'm up 3.9. And Meta, on the close last night, I was actually up 1%, down 0.84, but that's not a problem. I'm going to buy more if it goes lower. But anyway, I'm not getting the comments come through. Let's have a little look. They're coming. Then I can't post people's comments onto the screen, but I will share them. I will read them out. Let's read them out. Market profit. But there's a lot of money to be made in the commodity space over the next year. Of course, defense stocks are up within the market down. That's why they are called defensive stocks. Of course, defensive stocks are up. So you regard 22. I've never heard that expression before. You are saying that Coca-Cola, J&J, and McDonald's are defensive stocks. Is that what you're saying? Is that what you're saying? Well, that's good then. I have some defense. I didn't even realise that. They are consumer staples, utilities, and pharma. Sick and profit are all knowledge ones. They are indeed. Non-discretionary spending makes sense. I'm retired. I give pensions to my wife. She's after me. She looks after me. That's all I need, and this place keeps me happy. There you go, Bill. Because you are primarily a high growth investor, when markets are down, the defensive stocks such as consumer staples, J&J, McDonald's, are usually rotated into for protection. Okay, so I was doing the right thing without even knowing it. Look at that. See, I am more of an amazing investor than I even realized. I didn't realize. I had no idea. Anyway, right. I want to do something today for one of my friends. Okay, I want to do something. We're all about giving and helping people. From time to time, I like to help people, and just because. And I'm talking to everybody on TikTok right now. Can you see a guy called Rob McClick? It's called Rob WMCI. He's a friend of mine, and he's also a moderator. Can you see him in the channel? He is here with me every day, helping my channel. Would everyone do me a wonderful, wonderful favor? It will cost you absolutely nothing. Take 1 second. Rob wants to go live in Scotland. He wants to be able to go live, and to go live, you need 1,000 followers. He wants to bring us some great live clips, videos from Scotland. He needs 1,000 followers to do it. Would everybody click on Rob? He's in the chat right now. Rob, keep posting your name. Click on Rob. He wants to do some live videos. Just click on him and follow him. All right? You haven't got to watch. You haven't got to do anything. All right? It's up to you what you do, but just follow him. All right, it'd be really, really great if you just follow him. We want to get him to 1,000 followers so he can bring us some live videos from Scotland. He did do some great video recordings of the funeral of the Queen going through Scotland and the flight and everything. So I'd love to see that. So if everyone on TikTok would love to help me out, Rob, when we next get a really big crowd, like sometimes we get like 800, 1,000 people in. I'm going to do it again. It's quite quiet now, but I'm going to do it again. There you go. The Gucci Soldier. The Gucci Soldier has just done it. Thank you so much indeed. Doesn't benefit me at all. It doesn't make Rob any money. It just is a nice thing to do because he wants to go on and be able to do some live streaming. So everybody do that. All right. Cheers, guys. Thank you very much. All right. There you go. All right. I like it. There you go, Rob. We'll soon get you to 1,000. Wait, it's a busy stream. All right. Okay. Let's look at the year to date. SPY and hang on, I just read that. Good morning, everyone. It's now 500. I did the same, and sure it changed as I got to 990. I did the same, and sure it changed as I got to 990. Shad. Thank you, Shad. All right. So let's go over now then. So McDonald's is up heavily today. Coca-Cola is up. J&J is up as well. Very, very good. Let's have a little look. Right, I'm down 3% now. It's trying to come back a little bit. That means I'm up 27 over the last 3 weeks. So we're still on the middle of a rally, even if we have sold off this morning. We've got some buy orders for Walmart laid in. If it goes dramatically lower, I don't see it at all. Target also is recovering. It was oversold this morning. It was a bad earnings, no question, but the market reacted badly to it. Now, I could buy some more, but I don't want to spend any money. So I've set it to go lower if it went to 147, 145, which I don't see it going, and now it's going up, down 13%. It's more likely to rally today. I said to you that it would go up 5%. That was my prediction, and it was down 16. It's now down 13. So another 2%, and I'm spot on. I think it will rally 5% from here. You might say, well, why don't I buy it? Why don't I scalp trade it, buy some shares? It's oversold, if you think that. Just because I think that, and I know that, and I believe that, that doesn't mean to say I'm going to act on it. I feel and know things. That doesn't mean I do them all the time. Anyway, really do think you were on the right track yesterday when you were going to trim a bit, but it's your money. I still am. I still am going to trim a bit. It's not. I'm just not feeling it at the moment. Yeah, I still am. In fact, the ones I want to trim are RCM. Yeah. RCM is up again today, still rising. I'm up 23%. I'm looking at trimming RCM, and let me share with you what I'm looking at. I am looking at trimming, just not at this precise moment in time. RCM up 22%. I'm looking at trimming that. Photo Labs, I'm up 13% on Photo Labs, $300 and profit. I think we're going to get a mid-morning bounce back, so I am looking at trimming off that. Enphase Energy, no. There's a few things. There's quite a bit now in the green. McDonald's is doing very well, but I'm holding all those stocks. Anyway, there's my overall situation. Anyway, let's go back to your comments. Mike, strong opinion. Yeah. Rob. Oh, there we go. Malcolm has just done it. Rob just followed. Malk UK has just followed you, Rob. All right, if you've just tuned in on TikTok, I'm just taking a moment out of the normal program. I've got someone in my chat. He's Rob WMCI. Can you see him? He's a friend of mine and a moderator. He's always with me, always supporting me, helping me grow, does an amazing job on TikTok. He's trying to go live so he can bring some wonderful Scottish videos. And to do that, he needs 1,000 followers. He's at 500 or something like that. If you do me the greatest favor, it doesn't benefit me or make me any money or even make Rob any money. What it does do is just allow Rob to live out what he wants to do. He wants to go live on TikTok with his phone in Scotland. So can you see Rob WMCI in the chat? He's one of my friends. He's got the moderator badge. Please follow him. Just give him a follow and help him out. It's one of my mates. And it'd be absolutely brilliant. All right, I can't wait, Rob, until we get a really busy time, because I can get you to 500 followers in about 2 minutes if there's only enough people in here. It's quiet today. All right, we'll do it on a busy day as well. We'll do it on a busy day. All right. Let's have a look. Let's keep an eye on what's going on. Will DWAC run again? DWAC, yeah. Donald Trump is running for president again. I watched the announcement last night. He said some interesting things. That's all I'm going to say. I'm impartial. But anyway, there we go. According to Donald Trump, the announcement was the greatest announcement in the history of America last night. It was the greatest announcement ever made in America. That's what he said, and I quote. There you go. Make of it as you will. Will DWAC run? Yes, of course it will. DWAC will go up. Donald Trump supporters will buy into it. They'll flip it. They'll drop it. They'll be dumped. Democratic investors will short it. It's the OK corral. You'll be in, you'll be out. You'll make money, you lose money. I'm not touching it. I'm not here to play casinos. It's crazy. My portfolio is heavy overweighted with DWAC and funwear. Oh no, Craig, what are you doing? What are you doing? That's not investing, you're gambling. What are you doing? Anyway, we shall see. What does the $45,000 represent? What are you looking at? That's my, the 45,000. This, you mean? This here, that's my portfolio balance. I started trading live here on TikTok and YouTube. The home is YouTube. And I started with $5,000 and I'm up to $45,000. That's my real money, my real positions. I've done it in front of you. Everything I do, it happens live in front of everyone. I buy, I trade, I invest live in front of everyone. This is my YouTube broadcast where I am right now. If you want to join us, come and join us. All right. Okay. Let's get back to where we were. Target, just going sideways. Not popped up much. See what happens. Tesco dropped off this morning. Canoe down. I'm not looking to buy anything. All my orders are placed. All my buy orders are placed. I've got no sell orders at the moment. We're down 3.99 at the moment. So that makes me up 26% in the last 3 weeks. So we're still good. Taking a hit this morning, looking to buy some discounts. The rally is not over. I don't think for a minute the rally is over. Anyway, Virgin Galactic is down 3.28. Virgin Orbit bouncing up and down like I said it would. Tesla is down today, 188. I've got orders at 170. Let's have a look. My order is at 170. There we go. Rivian, Lucid, Arrival. Lucid down 4.9%. Breaking news just come in. Amazon down 3.16. Apple down 1.25. My average Tesla is 160. Oh, nice. Very nice. Your average on Tesla is 160. Blimey. That's very, very good. I'd love an average of 160 on Tesla. Brilliant. So, I tell you what, Rob. Rob, later on today, I will do a live Bitcoin video. I will get thousands of people on TikTok watch me, right? You need to be in for that, and I will give all those followers to you, all right? If I do a live broadcast about Bitcoin, right, I'll have Bitcoin on the screen behind me, and I talk for 15 minutes on Bitcoin, thousands of people will come in. I mean, like, thousands, right? It'll probably get to like 400 or 500 at any one point will be the number, but about 14, 15,000 will come through the stream in about, 20 minutes, half an hour if I do that. So I'll do that later on. I've got swimming this morning, so when I get back from swimming, I will do that. Are you going to join me? Can you join me this afternoon? For you, it'll be this afternoon. So let's see if Rob responds to that. And it'll be a TikTok-only feed, all right? It'll be a TikTok-only feed. So I'm going to set this up. If Rob can do it, is Rob good? Rob, just tell me if you can be here. Let's say so it's 9 o'clock now. I'm just, whatever time it is now, it's 9 o'clock for me. So imagine this. I'll do it in about 2.5 hours from now. 2.5 hours from now. I don't know if Rob's in the stream right now. Are you in the stream, Rob? 2.5 hours from now. I'll go online and we'll get Rob 1,000 followers. All right. Can I speak on arrival? Yes, I can. If you come into YouTube, I will share with you my arrival position and I'll talk to you all about it. YouTube.com/@ Martyn Lucas Investor. I think we've lost Rob for the minute. I don't know if he's still with us. Anyway, I'll if he comes back in, I'll do that for him. I'll get him 1,000 followers. Okay, thank you. You're very welcome. It's youtube.com/@ Martyn Lucas Investor. Same name as this channel. If you come right in now, links in the profile, pop in and I'll put arrival on the screen and I'm more than happy to talk about it. All right. Tesla's bouncing back up. The overall portfolio, look, is up right now. 45,000. We're just bouncing back. Read last comment, please. Gallard Steve. Gallardo Steve, I don't see another comment from... Oh, yes, every quarter, me and my friend organise a Virgin Galactic earnings investor day in the Netherlands. We talk Virgin Galactic, including food and beers, and discuss. Is there something in the UK or US like this as well? Gallardo Steve, it's very nice to meet you, and you've come to the right place, because I actually rank #1 for Virgin Galactic search term on YouTube most days, sometimes #2, but most of the time #1. I also rank #1 for SPCE stock as well on Virgin Galactic on the YouTube search term. I've been to the Virgin Orbit space station. I made a film on it, and I'm going to the Virgin Galactic space station next year, where we're having a convention, and we're having a party down there, and we talk a lot about... Did I lose my spanner? Shad? Hang on a minute. There you go. Fixed it for you. Don't know what that was there. Anyway, what was I going to say? So, yes, we do talk a lot about Virgin Galactic. I'm trying to buy all the shares of Virgin Galactic. I'm actually promoting a music video for Virgin Galactic. I've worked for Sir Richard Branson on Virgin Experiences. So, as the World Piano Man, this is my TV studio. We set this up all in the colours of Virgin Galactic. I'm writing a song for Virgin Galactic. I'm hoping to sing it on a rocket. Yep, these are big plans I've got. So nice to meet you. If you are a Virgin Galactic investor or a fan, I'm right there with you, and I'm doing everything I can to promote Virgin Galactic, buy all the shares of Virgin Galactic. And when I say that, I know it's billions of dollars, but I'm releasing a single, and if all the money I get from the video of the Virgin Galactic song, I'm spending on Virgin Galactic shares. This is my Virgin Galactic position right now. I've got just 2,100 shares, and the idea is that all the money I make from the video of the Virgin Galactic song, which I know Sir Richard Branson will see, I've worked for him, I've worked for the Virgin Experiences before, and I know they see my videos because I rank #1, they can't help but not. I'm sure I'll do well on the video. I'm sure it'll make money, and with the money I get, I will buy the Virgin Galactic shares. Nice to meet you. 5,300 shares right here. Brilliant, Gallardo Steve. Maybe we can team up. Are you a YouTuber? Are you a YouTuber? You will notice, we'll check your videos in the coming investor days. Okay, just so you know, Gallardo, are you a YouTuber? Because if you are, I want to do something very special for you today. We have a membership program here, to help everybody. It's not to make me rich, it's to benefit you. And my silver members are on the homepage of my YouTube channel, and I get everyone to subscribe to you during a live show. This is my channel. Look, these are my silver members and my bronze, my gold and sponsor members. I put them on the homepage of the YouTube channel, and I get everyone to subscribe to them during a live show. Now, we have the highest engagement rate on YouTube, even more than Mr. Beast, for the following situation. More of my live viewers are members than any other channel. We have 95% of our live viewers are members. 95% of our regular live viewers are members. Mr. Beast has about 8 to 9%. We have 95% of our live viewers are actually members. I'm not a YouTuber yet, but we want to start one for the Netherlands. Okay, I played in the Netherlands at Maxim's Piano Bar in Amsterdam. I have a regular gig there. a venue I play in. And it's lovely to have you here. If I can help you grow your channel or promote Virgin Galactic with you, I would like to reach out to you then. So here is my Discord channel. Send me a message or comment below any of my videos, and I would like to talk to you. You can call in live to the show. You can be on the show, video call in or live call in on a phone, whichever you like. I want to support anyone that supports Virgin Galactic. Yes. Anyway, the video, all about the song. If you want to know all about what we did here, here is the song with Virgin Galactic. Let me give it to you right now. This is my plan to buy all the shares of Virgin Galactic. It's called Screw It, Let's Do It. I'll buy all. Yeah, here it is. Here's the video. Okay, I'm going to give you the link. This tells you all about my commitment and passion for Virgin Galactic. There it is. Leave a comment there. Share that around your investors. And as you can see, we've got the colours all set up of Virgin Galactic. That is not a green screen. That is real smoke and lasers and lights and special effects. We are the Virgin Galactic Space Station. All right, there you go. So watch that video. I've given you the link in the chat. And hopefully you can get involved with that and support that. And the money I make is going all into the shares of Virgin Galactic. I will contact you. Maybe we could do a live call. Yes, you can. You could do a live call. Here is the Discord. I'll give it to you again. You can call in live. Only members can call in, though. I will tell you, here's the invitation to join. It's only a couple of bucks a month for bronze level. And you'll notice everyone who watches my show is a member. 95% of my live viewers are members. All right, and ask them why, and they'll tell you why. All right, okay. We lost Rob Brennan, which was, Rob McLean. What happened when the explosion in Poland? Okay, it looks like it was an surface-to-air missile from the Ukrainians shooting down a Russian missile, which then obviously landed in Poland and caused some damage. I still blame the Russians for that, because at the end of the day, if you're firing indiscriminate bombs all over the place and on the border, then you deserve to be held responsible, even if your weapons were shot down. Rob McLean, I'm here. Okay, Rob, I want to do something for you today. I want to get you to 1,000 followers in one sitting. I was talking to you. I think you missed it. What I'm going to do, we're going to end the show in about 25 minutes. I'm going off swimming. When I get back, I'm going to do a live broadcast on my channel all about Bitcoin. That gets thousands of people through the stream. And, oh, you heard it. If you give me a text before you go on TikTok, I'll shoot. There you go. There you go. You've texted me. Yeah, you've already got the information, right? And I'll get all of my YouTube family to join us, and we'll all be there together. Be great. Let's get you 1,000 followers in like straight away. Let's read these comments. I'll be there. Great. Wow. Target just announced the organized retail crime drove astounding 400 million loss in profits this year. The amount of crime in the US is just insane. Yes, it is. But that is fixable. That is fixable. So that's why I said I want to buy more Target. They can fix that, and things will get better. So I'm not worried about that. To me, that's a fixable thing. It's bad. It shows that the economic climate is bad. But remember, the stock market recovers 6 months before the actual financial market, the economy rather. So I see that as a positive, really. As an opportunity. And as you can see, my portfolio is returning. And I haven't bought any dips. I've set buy orders, but none of them have come off yet. The Church of Logic, Trump has announced he's going to run again. Anyway, made some very interesting statements, which I'm not going to get political on this show, but fact-checked, didn't make any sense whatsoever, just saying, okay? We are very neutral on this channel, but I like to check all the facts, and most of the statements he made weren't actually factual at all, not even close. But anyway, you make your decisions. Tesla, I can't even get involved anyway. I'm only a green card holder. I have no say in American politics at all, which keeps me completely neutral and out of anything. I report all the news as it comes, but I can't make any opinions or any I can't vote or anything. So there you go. There hasn't been a recession yet. There hasn't been a recession yet, says 22. Neither of them. Both are bad for the US, but I believe Biden and the Democrats will bring the world closer to World War III faster than Trump would. There we go. That's what Market Profit says. Let's keep it. Let's just opinions is great, but let's not get it. Let's not get the show political. Still bouncing down. Right. We've got a quick commercial break to do. We've got day trader of the day to do. We've got lots going on today, so let's get ready. Let's get ready. How many people have liked the video so far this morning? We are a bit quiet this morning, I have to say. The markets are down. You tend to find the market when the markets are down, not so many people in. That tends to happen. Anyway. Right then, let's go to work. Let's go to work. We've got 40 people watching and 14 likes. You're all waiting for the song, right? You're all waiting for the song. I want 30 likes. 30 likes, guaranteed, 100%. You ready? Here we go. Smash the like button. Every single person now watching the show. We want to make some money. We want to share the video out with more people. Click the thumbs up button. Right, we're at 14. I want to get to 30 in 1 minute. Are you ready? Here we go. I said chicky pow pow. I said chicky pow pow. The real Satoshi. Stand up, say please stand up. Say please stand up with the real Satoshi. Stand up, Nakamoto. Come on now, here we go. We've got 14 likes. There's 40 people watching. We should be at least 30 likes. What's going on? What's going on? If you don't smash the like button, I'm going to run an ad. I'm going to run a commercial break. I need 30 likes in 30 seconds. If you don't do it, Market Profit said, I think it's a coincidence, or maybe we have more red days and green days. I was here last Thursday when we had the biggest green day in many, many years. Autumn budget tomorrow in UK. I don't know if that will have much effect on the global economy, though as much as a player anymore. All right, let me end it. We got 17. We got 17. All right, you didn't get me to 30 likes, so only 2 people liked it. 17. So you know what I'm going to do? Yep, you're all going to be punished now with a commercial break. I gave you the warnings. Nobody, you didn't react. So here we go. Here's a quick 10-second commercial break. Skip the ad. Come right back. But if you don't like the video, that's what I do. Here we go. Okay, we're back. You might have seen a commercial break. If you did, there it is. Right, down 4% at the moment. Markets dropping. No like. Didn't get an ad. Some of you, yeah, it's if you don't get an ad, it's either because you're on a mobile device. I can't push an ad to a mobile device. You only get that when the video is processed. A live show, I can't push an ad to a mobile device. I can't push an ad to someone who has ad blocker, obviously. But you know, you're not supporting the channel if you've got ad blocker on, of course. But that's up to you. And I can't push an ad if you've got YouTube Premium. However, I still earn the 1 cent per ad for doing that, because the YouTube Premium is what pays the creators, which is what I am, a creator, YouTube creator, apparently. That's what my name is. That's what we're called. And I earn money that way. So, yeah, I don't and also, if you've just come in and just seen an ad when you came in, YouTube wouldn't give you another ad within a few minutes. So I can only do it every 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, there you go. All right, we've got to 20 likes. We've got a bit better. So we've got 20 minutes to go. I've got to go because we're going to have. I've got to go to water aerobics this morning for my daily exercise. Well, I do it 3 times a week, as it happens. The S&P 500 is down very slightly. Virgin Galactic is also down. I've not sold anything. I'm looking to buy discounts. I've got a buy for 170 at Tesla, Rivian. I don't believe that the rally is over. Lots of Fed speak today. So let's see how that goes. Oh, I agree. You're absolutely right. Market profit. Politics bleed into stock markets. Yeah, politics is everything. We just don't want to sort of side up with one side of the camp. But yeah, we're happy to talk about politics. We're happy to talk about personal views and feelings and how it affects the markets and business. And of course, politics is money. It's the same thing. What I meant by that was we don't wave the flag for one side of the political argument or the other. We don't want to alienate anybody or upset anybody. So that's not what we do. That's what I meant. We want to see the economy slow down. We do. Apple, remember the economy is very different than the stock market though, right? Apple is down 1.55 today. And I'm looking to buy some Apple at 130. I know it's not going there, but that's what I do. I set ridiculously cheap prices because it does happen. McDonald's is up 2% today. Really, really soaring. Like you say, everyone's buying into McDonald's today, it seems. Coca-Cola, looking good. J&J is up, looking good as well. Google, looking good. I'm about to make money on Google. That was all oversold. Microsoft, I'm making money on it. And Meta is down just 1% overall. I was down 85. Very happy to own that as well. SoFi down 4.62. I've got orders placed there. I've got orders placed for IonQ. Walmart orders placed. Target orders placed. I've got orders everywhere. So it's all good. Orders placed with Canoe. Not with Tilray. Enphase Energy up 1.87 again. Bitcoin's down 2.4. BSV is down 2.47. Bitcoin's down 2%. And Ethereum is down 3.88. Okay, down 4%. We're coming to the end of the show. Let's do day trader of the day. Let's see who is up, who is down, who's making money, who's not. All right, so I'm down 4% today. Quite a drop. So let's post that. When the first person posts, I will share it with you. Down 3.86% right now on the screen. All right, when the first person posts, I'm not. We have a technical problem that I'm able to share it on the screen, but I will actually just read it out. For some reason, I'm not getting it sent through. Sometimes YouTube does that. All right, so once you first post, here we go. 1 minute on the clock. So we've got no pauses. What's happened? The Fed need the market to go down. It's terrible inflation if it goes up. Used cars. What's happening here? That's a serious statement. No pauses. Where's that coming from? 22. Nits Ferrari is down 5.43, down 2%, says Shad. Bill is down 3.27. Crag is down 10.64. It looks like the winner then is Mike is only down 1.8. Mike is only down 1.8. I'm sorry I can't share it on the screen. Ryan Carlson is down 5%. William Matthews is up 0.78. Looks like William Matthews is winner today. I'm sorry I can't share it on the screen. I'm not able to. There's a technical glitch with YouTube not sending through the comments, so I can't do that. But William, that's a great score. You're up today, 0.78. So thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up, and here is the sound effects. Lovely. Great. We love it. Fantastic stuff. Well done indeed. That's Will Matthews. All right, if you just tuned in today, I've got another surprise for you today. Another surprise. I did it for 2 days in a row, and you seem to love it. So, we're going to do it again. We're going to do it again. Here it is. This is Discord. Discord has got a channel called Merchandise. And when someone buys something, it shares what they're buying, and you can go and see Whoops, no audio. Is that better? Apologise. Right, we'll start that again. Thank you very much indeed. Mike was out. Right, what I was saying was we've got a special surprise again because you seem to love the discounts. I've been giving a discount from my shop, and we sold a black mug, a special anniversary mug that's now gone back on order again. Someone's bought one of these from the UK tour. I'm guessing it's someone from Italy because it's blue, and another white mug. So I'm going to extend this offer again, and because we need discounts, we need offers. We're coming up to Christmas. So anything in the shop, you can see the link is at the top of this stream. I'm showcasing products. You can go into my shop. I'm going to give you the special discount again. There it is. You can get a great discount there. Gold 10. I'm extending it for another day. As long as I sell something each day, I'm going to keep it going because you seem to really like the discounts. So there it is. It was only a 1 day, then I made it 2 days, and now you seem to love it. So as long as there is a sale that pops up in Discord during the day, I will extend it another day. So there you go. If you want to get something from the shop for Christmas, pair of socks, fleece, hat, scarf, mug, beer glass, all with the Martyn Lucas branding, you can, and I'm giving the discount code again. So there you go. It works again today. Gold 10. All right. Down 4.29. And we're holding our position at the moment. We're not selling anything. Virgin Galactic is down 3.19. Things are trying to recover, though. Virgin Orbit. What was that news that you were bringing? What was that? Thank you, Shad. No mic on that scene. I like that. See, everyone's going, no mic, no audio, no mic. Whereas Shad is a streamer. So he talks in streaming language. He went, no audio, no mic on that scene. He knows it's a scene. It was me. Exact order. There you go, Stephen Lewandowski. Well, because of you, Stephen, I've extended it. I've extended it. So as long as I get a sale, I'm going to keep that 10% discount going. So there you go. Thank you, Stephen Lewandowski. Did you buy all those 4 things? Were you all these? Were you the black mug, the anniversary mug, which is now a collector's edition because that name has changed, and these 2? Did you buy all those things? Stephen Lewandowski, brilliant, bought 4 items. Anyway, there you go. I've ordered the socks for myself for Christmas. And I've ordered myself a fleece as well. So I might be sitting here with my own fleece on soon. Anyway. So if you're going to buy a fleece, why not get one with the ML logo on it? Makes sense, doesn't it? Anyway. Tesla's going down. I've got an order at 170. Down 4.36 at the moment. Payday next week. May need to have a look. All right. And don't forget, if you ever want any of the merchandise with your name on it, it's a $4. It's a $4 charge to put your name on it, and I make it. It doesn't exist. You can't just go on there and say, I bought it, and now can you add my name to it? I make a series of products with my logo with your name on it, and then you have your very own listing, and it will live there forever, and you can go back a year from now and buy a mug with Shad on it or Stephen Lewandowski. You can do that. Only 3. Okay, so somebody else bought something else then. There you go. So anyway, that's how it works. If you do that, if you want that, just message me on Discord and say I would like my name on a mug, and I will make the mug with the logo and your name on it, and then it's just $4. I just charge $4 more because it takes you about half an hour to do it, make it, and then you have it. Right, Tesla down nearly 4%. I've got an order at 170 if it gets there. Let's have a little look. Let's see if we get Target. Target is going sideways, not selling off. It doesn't want to go lower than this. That doesn't mean to say, oh, jump in then. No, I don't want to jump in. It sold. Its earnings was down for a good reason. It's what it's worth. If I want to buy it for less than it's worth, not just go in at that price. Anyway, Tesco moving up slightly. Canoe. I've got orders placed, so I don't really need to think about it. It'll just happen by itself. All right. We've got just a few moments to go before I end the stream. I will see you back for the closing bell this afternoon. Let's have a look how many people are actually... did we get anybody come in from Discord today who's a member? Let me have a quick look. Rob McLean, here's the pot at the end of the goal. Let me share this. This is Rob McLean's lovely rainbow over his house. Got a very nice house there, Rob. Nice little Mini Cooper in the garden there. There you go. That's Rob McLean with his rainbow. Look at that. Very, very nice. Thanks for sharing that, Rob. Let me go into welcome all and see if we've got anybody. No, not anybody joined today. Just want to make absolutely sure. Got a message request. Here we go. I talked to you about, yes, accept your message. This is Gallardo. Hi there. Okay. Gallardo Steve, I've messaged you. Brilliant. Right, we're just the last few moments now before we end the show. And we're going to get off, and I'll see you back. When I come back, I want to do something for Rob McLean. He worked so hard for me over on TikTok. He's requested some support, so I want to do it. So, will you join me later for a TikTok Rob McLean special? Rob McLean special. Okay, there you go. It'll be in a couple of hours' time. I'll go live, do a Bitcoin thing, and I'll get thousands of people on TikTok. And I want to do something for Rob McLean, who wants to be able to go live. So he needs 1,000 followers. So I need all of you on there. I need all of you to tap the. It won't be on YouTube, just be on TikTok. And here is my TikTok channel, and I need you to be on there. And all your job is to do. If you're not moderators, any of my moderators here, I'll make you moderators on TikTok. But what I want you to do is tap the screen with 2 fingers like that really quickly. And what it does, it gets thousands of likes. Keep doing it for a few minutes. And it gets thousands of likes, and it will go to more people. And then I can tell everybody to be a follower for Rob McLean. It'd be really, really great. There's my TikTok, Martyn Lucas Investor, as always. Please type it correctly. There are scammers on TikTok, as there are on YouTube, who go Martyn Lucas Investors, Martyn Lucas Investor with 2 T's and a dot at the end. You know, my name is Martyn Lucas Investor. You know it's me. I never message you, never sell you anything. I only give away prizes to you. I never ask anything in return. And I'm always live. They're not live, and they might even have the same amount of followers as me, because people do follow for follow, which is absolutely pointless and silly. And some people sit on their phones all day long and just follow everybody. They get no content, they get no views, but they just follow everybody. So it makes them look like they're popular, and they're not. They're just scammers, all right? Okay, so there you go. I guess some of you aren't into TikTok, right? 2 of you said, I'm not coming. I don't want to help Rob McLean. I don't want to help him. Anyway. Mike. Hang on a minute. Mike, are you on TikTok right now? You don't seem to be a moderator. Is that you, Mike? Let me see if Mike, I need to make Mike a moderator. Mike 166A, yeah, Mike. Are you, hang on, Mike 66A. What is your TikTok? I'm going to make you a moderator. Someone's pretending to be you, probably. It might be you. It might be you. Mike, just on YouTube, confirm your, on YouTube, Mike, just confirm your username on TikTok. It says Mike Flynn 52. Mike Flynn 52. Can you just confirm that's you in YouTube? I'm sure it's you, but I just got to check. Yes, it's me. Okay. Well, I'm going to follow you back because you are a member. That's part of what I do. I follow all my members and subscribers. So I follow you back and add as a moderator. There you go, Mike. If you make a comment now. Make a comment now, Mike. You should be a friend and a moderator. There we go. Okay, we've just about come to the end of the show. It's time to go. And I've got to go off to water aerobics. I'm not looking forward to it. It's going to be freezing. But anyway, there it is. I've got to do it. Oh, thank you, Leah. Oh, good luck. There it is. Yeah, Mike, you're not following me. You're a moderator, but you're not a friend. You got to follow. Thanks, Leah. Mike, you got to follow me. I've given you moderator, but you don't show up as a friend. I followed you. You need to follow me back, and then you will become. It will give you the little friend symbol, so everybody will know you're a friend who's a moderator. So just follow me back, Mike. You've not yet followed me. I've just followed you, but you've not followed me. That's why you're not showing up as a. Okay, I did. Let's have a little look. Friends. No, we are friends and a moderator. Yeah, that's weird. Maybe it's got to start a new stream. I don't know. Anyway, okay, no worries. Whatever. Okay. So we're going to end the show there right now. How many have we got watching at the end? Let me have a quick look. There are 22 of you in. Right. There you go. So, yes, we've got 6 of you who are going to help out with Rob McLean later on, and that'll be good. Wouldn't it be fun? Mike's thinking, but what if I don't want to be your friend? Shad said, Mike's thinking, yeah, but what if I don't want to be your friend? I get it. You know, it's like you just assume everybody wants to follow you. You assume everybody wants to be your friend. Maybe they don't. Maybe they go, well, I'm quite happy to watch the show because I get out of it what I want, but I don't want to be your bloody friend. I don't want to follow you. I don't have to do it. I'm always your friend. There you go, Mike. Shad's having a go at me. He's going, you know, what if he doesn't want to be your friend? I'm just saying. It's Shad, innit? It's doing what Shad does. Shad's stirring trouble. He's always stirring trouble, isn't he? Right, okay. So I'm going to get off. Hopefully everyone's now over on TikTok as well. So we'll do that for Shad later on when I get back from swimming, okay? Virgin Orbit, exactly as predicted. Let's try and get it at 268. We've got the license to fly. Any day now they're going to fly. And the stock will go up and get dumped again. So know how it works. I always thought I was. You are, Bill. Yes, see, you're a friend. Here you are, you're a friend. There you go. Yay, fella, there you go. What you say for Bitcoin, should I buy or no? We're going to discuss Bitcoin in a live event this afternoon, in a couple of hours from now, and I'll go into it exclusively on TikTok. We are all... Mark Corn has just popped up right at the last minute. Right, I've got to go. Lovely to have you here, Mark Corn. How are you today? I've got buy orders all over the place today. Really, really silly low orders. All-time lows. Don't expect to get them. Target lost a lot of money with shrinkage, which means thieving, in case you didn't know. But anyway, thieving. Robbers. That's now made its way into our portfolio today. Robbery and skullduggery has made its way onto the show. All right, it's a red day-ish day today. Yes, it is. It is a red day, but I'm up 26% in 3 weeks. I'm holding. I'm looking to buy all-time lows. I'm not doing anything. The dip is just starting, Mr. Clockwork. The dip is just starting. All right, we shall see. Right, okay. Now then, listen here. I've got to go. I'll see you all later. I need someone to say, would you roll the credits? We've got to roll the credits. No one gave me a super chat. Rubbish. You can always tell when no one makes any money, no one gives you a super chat, no one celebrates anything. Look at that. That's the worst credit. Is that even worth doing? Is that even worth doing? Look at that. The credits today, no subscribers, no followers, no super chats. I've earned no money. I've sat here for 4 hours. I've done a bloody pre-market earnings. No subscribers, no followers, no tips, no super chats. I don't know how this could get any worse. I need to get a job at McDonald's because that would pay better than this. I give up. This is pointless. This doesn't make any sense. Right, I've got to get out of here. Thank you very much for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you. Did the mod bot not even do anything? No, even the mod bot didn't do anything. It's like, even the mod bot says, sod it, I'm not even going to bother. I can't even be bothered to moderate your channel. That's how interested I am. So, Mark Corn. Hey, I've got to go, but let me have a quick reaction to that. Mark Corn, hang on, let me get myself off the screen a minute. Mark Corn just gave me. I want to celebrate it. Hang on, for Mark Corn especially. There we go. Boom. Thank you, Mark Corn. That's for you. Cheers, mate. Cheers. Appreciate it. Mark Corn. There you go. Mark Corn thought, I can't have this. I can't have this. This chap's a decent fella, and he's sitting here. I mean, literally 79 pence. I mean, a busker on the street gets more than that. Anyway, I'm out of here. Thank you very much for being here. You've been lovely. Just not very responsive, to be honest. You know, no subscribers, no followers, no tips. That's rubbish. You know, I'm just saying it was all right, but. You know, I can't get overexcited when people don't do anything. You know what I mean? I can't. I've got to say as it is, right? I've got to say as it is, and the reality is, you did bugger all, basically. Other than Mark Corn, the rest of you sat there and did nothing. You know, didn't interact, didn't give me a tip, didn't subscribe, didn't follow. You out Rob McLean out. You out Rob McLean out, followed Rob McLean. This should be the Rob McLean show. Martyn Lucas sits here working his guts out, pointless, waste of bloody time. Anyway, on that note, take that as a telling off. And I expect you to come back tomorrow, this afternoon, with a better attitude, right? I expect everyone to come back with a better attitude. So think on. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other and your favourite YouTuber. Think about it. Take care. Bye-bye.